the settings menu still isn't working, the next solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and choose Task Manager from the menu. In Task Manager, locate Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. This can help refresh your system's user interface, which might resolve the issue with the Settings menu. To begin, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If you cannot open the Start menu, simply press Windows+R on your keyboard to bring up the Run dialog box. Then type CMD and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to launch the Command Prompt window as an administrator. Once the window opens, type the following command, sfc/scannow, press Enter, and allow the system to perform a full scan. This will check for any damaged or missing system files. Once the scan reaches 100%, close the Command Prompt window. If the problem persists, the next step is to use PowerShell to run a few commands that may fix the issue. First, search for PowerShell in the Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. You can also open the PowerShell window by right-clicking the Windows icon and selecting Terminal, Admin. Once the PowerShell window opens, copy and paste the following command. I will include this in the video description for easy access. Get-AppXPackage AllUsers, Foreach. Add-AppXPackage, DisableDevelopmentMode, register $$_InstallLocation, AppXManifest.xml. After entering the first command, wait for it to complete, then copy and paste the second command below. Get-ExecutionPolicy. Once both commands have been executed, close the PowerShell window and restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. After rebooting, the issue with your Start menu and Settings menu should be resolved, and they should open as expected. And that is it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.